Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Tang. I'm the Associate Dean of the College of Integrated Science and Engineering. We call our college CISE, C-I-S-E. It split from the College of Integrated Science and Technology, which doesn't exist anymore, and the Computer Science and ISAT departments joined together with the Department of Engineering to form CISE, College of Integrated Science and Engineering. We have 3 academic units, that is departments, in our college, but we also have 5 undergraduate programs, and those are the ones you want to focus on. I'll start with the Department of Engineering. It is a multidisciplinary engineering program, so unlike, say, Virginia Tech, which has an entire College of Engineering and specialization areas, our students have a more general engineering degree where they get a little bit of each of those disciplinary areas within engineering, but it has a focus on sustainable design. Each of the students does a 2-year capstone project, and it really is an innovative, exciting program. It's relatively new. We just graduated our 4th class. Our computer science department and that undergraduate program is the most traditional program we have in the college. It really is a good, well-rounded computer science program. Note that it's CS, not CIS. CIS is Computer Information Systems. That's in the College of Business across campus. That's a less technical degree, more focused on business applications. Computer science really is the most technical computing degree we have on campus. It focuses on programming and the ability to learn computer languages, implement them, develop computer systems. And then finally, there's the Integrated Science and Technology Department, which has 3 different undergraduate programs in it. The one is a Bachelor's of Science in Integrated Science and Technology, the sort of ISAT that originally came in what the department's named after. There's nothing like it in the whole country, in fact, probably not in the world, where the idea is to develop multidisciplinary and really generalist science and technology students, but have a broad base in all those areas, as well as technology areas, and then they apply those skills to real-world problems. All the ISAT students really have to know a bit about the social context of those science and technology problems. They also have a 1.5-year capstone project that's mandatory for all the students, and a lot of things you see related to renewable energy around campus come out of the ISAT program. The next program is Geographic Science. It has 2 different tracks. One focuses more on human geography and environmental geography, and so really looks at human-environment interactions from that perspective, and is a little bit more humanities-like than most of the programs that we have. The other is GIS, Geographic Information Systems, and that's a more technology-focused track within the Geographic Science program. A lot of students don't really, they think geography is just maps, and then they take a geography class or 2 and they realize there's a lot more to it than that, that there's a lot of the spatial analysis and thinking about space in our world is really very important and can lead you in a lot of different directions. And finally, there's the Intelligence Analysis program. That's also quite new, and we've graduated 4 classes there as well, which is not policy making, but advising policymakers on what their options are. Most of the students in the program are interested in national security analysis, so we don't train spies. That's not what we do. These are not the people who are operatives. These are the folks who, when there's information that's collected, that they look and they try and identify patterns and trends and try and make predictions, give policymakers a sense of what we think is going on and what potential paths one could take and what the potential consequences of those are. There's been people from Defense Intelligence Agency who say it's the model of what intelligence programs should be. So when you're giving your tours, you might want to point out a couple of the highlights that we have in the College of Integrated Science and Engineering. On the first floor, some of the facilities we have are, the first thing you'll see on the tour is the Thermal Fluids Laboratory, and that's where essentially we study the flow of air over a particular item. And sometimes the light's on, sometimes like today it's off, but that's the first set of windows that you see is the Thermal Fluids Laboratory. The second one is currently being used for capstone projects for the engineering program. So right now it's more of a storage area. There are a number of different projects going on at different stages. Right is the Cyber Defense Lab. Now usually this window is closed, but this is what computer science uses to do their cyber defense work. On the other side, on the left of the hallway, is the Integrated Science and Technology, Engineering and Manufacturing Lab. Students get the opportunity to actually program that and see how a real design process would work, an actual manufacturing process. And so it's a neat opportunity that our students have to really get their hands on this kind of equipment throughout their undergraduate career.